Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Wednesday, September 12th, 2012. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and a candle that's made a higher high but a lower low. It's an outside day in bar chart terms, and a day of indecision, basically because the buyers were strong enough to take out the high, but also the sellers were strong enough to take out the low. They were only just strong enough to take out the low, and actually the buyers traded a fair way through the previous high. It's a doji type candle, so a doji is a candle of indecision, and very often you see dojis at turning points in the market. So there is potential for a change of trend to the downside with this candle. But if we look at where the market traded to today, the market interacted with that zone of support and resistance that I've highlighted in yellow, previous important area, and for the previous 3 trading days the market has found support at that level. So if the market is to change trend, the bears will need to be very strong to trade substantially into that area, and anywhere through that area extending down from roughly about 1729 down to about 1707 will hold as or has potential to hold as very, very strong support for this market. We also have strong support down at the round number 1700, so very, very large area of significant support. In terms of the upside, however, if you look at the previous 4 trading days, we can see that the market tried to test above the 1740 area and it was rejected from there. We see the shadows on the top of these candles, and for 4 days the market has tested above there and the buyers have lost commitment above that area. So that is a very, very important level of resistance for this market. And either way, if we do see a bullish close up above this area where the market's trading at the moment, or down below this area, a bearish close, then we are likely to get quite a substantial move. Now to the downside, that move may be limited by the 1700 round number support, and the influence of that extends down to about the 1690 level. We can see these candles where there was strong support. But if we have a significant bearish day, then there is potential for the market to trade lower. But certainly to the upside, if we trade up through these levels, we have some resistance at 1755, then 1767, and if the buyers can build up some momentum and trade through those levels in a bullish manner, then we don't have any major resistance until the market trades up to the round number 1800. So a breakout in this market in either very strongly bullish terms or bearish terms may be quite significant. Now in terms of the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the current first time frame uptrend the market's in relationship to the previous time the market was trending up, and we see this capitulation and rejection from above the 100% level, and that could be significant for this market. There is potential for a change of trend because of that, so a lot of indecisive trading around there. But if we do see bullish trading up above this level, then there is potential for the market to trade up to the 1788 level at the 161.8% level. So a decent bullish close up above there could see the market quickly trade up to there. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, we're in an expansive mode now, trading past the 100%, and here we see the market trading above the 261.8%. We've had some closes above there, and the market is maintaining the close above there now for the previous 2 trading days, so that could be significant, and it may suggest that the market may test to higher levels, and we have a target at 423.6% at 1783.5, which coincides roughly with that 1788 target with the other Fibonacci ratio. In terms of Ichimoku, we have a bullish market in all 3 time frames. The market's trading above the clouds, so it's bullish in the long-term time frame, trading above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, so we're bullish in the medium-term time frame, and trading above the Tenkan-sen, the green line, so we're bullish in the fast-term time frame. The Chikou span is above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming all of this bullishness that we're seeing. And we need to disregard just this little upspurt here on this Tenkan-sen, because it's reflecting how the market's currently trading at the moment. And if the market maintains trading here, then that could be significant, reflecting solid upside momentum, but we have to wait until that develops. But we have seen the Tenkan-sen begin to tick up for today's trading, even though we have had an indecisive candle. So overall, a bullish market in all time frames. We have very solid support below where the market's trading, a decent resistance up above. The market's congesting in a very indecisive manner today. We have a doji type candle. The buyers are no longer supporting the trend to the upside, but the sellers are not supporting any change of trend to the downside. We have a lot of indecision. As I've mentioned, if we do see a change of trend to the downside, solid support below. And let's watch these areas for any potential breakouts in either direction.